Hello everybody, my subject is Social Studies, Class 4, Lesson 11, Our Natural Resources. Nature has given us water, air, soil, plants, trees and animals are so on. So these are the gifts of nature, water, air, plants, animals, soil, and these are all called gifts of nature. Early human did not know how to use these natural resources. As the time passed, they learned how to use the natural resources and they learned the usage of these resources. It was that these gifts of nature are used by humans. Wind, they used to generate the electricity and using the windmills. Wind became the resource for them and the materials available to our environment which satisfies our needs are called resources. There are two types of resources, natural resources and the human-made resources. Natural resources are those land, water, air, soil, minerals, forest, animals are known as natural resources. The things made by the humans using these natural resources are called human-made resources. Example, buildings, roads, machines and electricity. Again, natural resources are divided into two types. One is exhaustible, the other one is inexhaustible. Exhaustible resources are those which are exhausted after using that. Inexhaustible resources are those which are not exhaustible after using those resources. Once we use these resources, we cannot create any more. Example, exhaustible resources. Some natural resources such as metal like iron, copper, these are called and fuels, coal, petroleum, natural resources are available in limited quantity. These are exhaustible resources. Such resources are called exhaustible resources. They are also called non-renewable resources. That means they won't come back. Coal is an important source of power. It is used to cook, run steam engines and generate electricity. It also run to steam engines and factories. Our country has large resources of coal. These resources are, however, limited. Petroleum is also known as black gold. It is refined to produce petrol and diesel. These are used as fuel cars, buses, scooters, ships and aeroplanes. The petroleum reserves are limited. They are also not available in every country. So all are resources which are exhaustible. We have to be used carefully. Some natural resources are do not exhausted. These are called inexhaustible resources. Solar energy, air, water, plants and animals are a few examples. They can be renewed. So these are also called renewable resources. The energy is from the sun is called solar energy. It is also used to light streets, cook and heat water and generate electricity. Air is an important natural resource. All living things need to live air. Wind is also used for generating the electricity. Water is needed for drinking, washing, cooking, growing the plants. Electricity generated from falling water is called hydroelectricity. Plants give us food to eat and to bear. Almost all plants depend on the animals. Trees prevent the soil erosion. And this is why plants are called green gold. Soil is needed to grow plants. So we all to pledge use our natural resources wisely to do so. So conserve the natural resources. Thank you.